Altcoins are popping right now, and we are delving deeper into an altcoin alt season. Yes, that big keyword that everyone talks about around this time, which I usually think starts off with a big spurt from the Ethereum dominance in the market. We can see the ETH dominance has risen from 7% up to 11%, which is why we might have this alt season round the corner. Other little telltale signs like the alt season index is starting to get closer. You know, we're edging towards the place for glory, right? Where if we go up to the 75 on the alt season index, we could potentially be going right there. So whoever's controlling this market has obviously been given the green light to print and inject some money into the altcoin space. Now, look at this. We're at $3.88 trillion. This is another all-time high for the blockchain market. We're getting closer to 4 trillion over here, guys. This is seriously, seriously exciting. So this video, we're not going to overcomplicate. Yes, there are tons of coins you can go for. Large caps are moving heavily at the moment, so this might flow into sort of mid cap soon, and as well, you know, some sort of ETH meme coins as well could also have a little rally soon. So at the moment, looking pretty interesting. We've got greed in the market again. Could retail interest be coming back? It's a big question. So yeah, guys, we're doing a $2,500 giveaway. By the way, probably the only channel out there doing 2.5K giveaways. So please check out my Discord down below. Post your proof that you've joined by just basically subscribing, liking, and showing your screenshot down below in the Discord. It's free to join. Now, let's talk about it. Let's just talk about it. First coin, I'm simple. I stick to fundamentals, and I stick to coins that have strong values in terms of their utility. We'll throw some more high-risk gems in here as well, but Hedera HBAR is absolutely going to be the first coin in this particular video, and I still think there's a lot of upside potential for Hedera HBAR. When we look at a market cap side, it's got to chase its previous all-time high, which was from 2025. You can already see the growth from this token in a single month. It's basically up 2x. So 5 billion has basically been added to the market cap of Hedera HBAR. And I think if it wants to do it, it will. And an all-time high seems like it could be pretty inevitable at the moment. Of course, guys, not financial advice. I don't know the future, but HBAR Hedera will be the first coin here. If you hold HBAR, let us know down below. And, you know, for sure you love this coin, right? Next one is Say token, accelerating the future. And this is effectively the fastest parallel blockchain out there. Incredible TPS, great transaction speed, very efficient, very nice ecosystem and blockchain here. So this is another one of my favorites, and I will admit that it doesn't have the best tokenomics. However, when we look at the previous all-time high at $2.79 billion, and we look at the current price structure, I think there is a possibility we could retest from a market capital point of view. The price will not be as high because of the token dilution, but I'm still eyeing up a good 50 to 60 cents for the Say token right here. They're doing a lot, they're building a lot, they're always partnering, networking, going out for exhibitions, and just getting their name out there, evolving further and further. So Say is for sure an altcoin that I've added to my list for this little run that we're seeing. I mean, the market is absolutely crazy. The week is strong here. What more could we want right now? What else can we check out for the time being? Well, we've got another coin, which I'm absolutely stacked on, and I love it. This is the SU token. Build Beyond. SU delivers the benefits of Web3 with the ease of Web2. I'm so surprised I haven't changed this website, because reading that is so difficult sometimes. Like the white just blends into the white. Anyway, I'm not a critic of websites. So yeah, scalable infrastructure that's fast, secure, and affordable. So yeah, we can see great TPS, great time to finality, and it always goes back to the layer ones and layer twos. The blockchains, the big, strong fundamental tokens, $4. You can see when we look at the 1 month performance, we're just at $2.63. So these 10 or these $5 to $15 billion cap tokens do have big potential in these markets still. If you look on the yearly time frame, this token was down to 2 billion last summer in 2024. We dipped down to 7 billion and we're back up 2x, which is absolutely fantastic. So really good performance here from the SU token. And, you know, personally, I still think there's a bit of upside potential here, because if we're going to make an all-time high, it's going to do it. It's going to go to price discovery. It will get there, and we don't know how high it will go, and it will eventually come back down, right? It's on the edge of doing that. $14.75 billion to retest. I personally think we've got like another 10 to 20% upside here, because we are not in the full alt season just yet. So yeah, really, really exciting. We've got another coin to talk about, of course, but guys, check out KSEX. They're giving away $420 of trading bonuses right now. So sign up down below with my link. You can use these bonuses right away. And they're also doing a 10% deposit bonus in conjunction with this. You don't need to use your ID or anything. You can sign up, no KYC required, and it's globally accessible. I love this exchange. I do a lot of trading with this exchange, by the way. And yeah, they've got a great UX and UI. Do have a look at, you've probably not heard of them, but in general, this is one of my favorites. And this is certainly one that I use a lot of at the moment. Now let's crack on to the next token, which is Toncoin. T-O-N, Toncoin. I hold this one as well for sure. Basically, did you know if you have a Telegram account, you've got a Ton address? You probably didn't, but now you do. So here it says a decentralized and open internet designed for onboarding 500 million people on chain. So if you have Telegram, you're effectively already in the blockchain space without even knowing. $3.28 for this coin right now. You can see actually the price is down massively, even the overall market cap. So I'm still expecting even Toncoin to have another pop, to have another rise, to have another rally. I want to see this go to $15 billion market cap. If Sue can do it, Toncoin should be able to absolutely do it. So yeah, this is also sparking some interest. I'm getting quite bullish on the price action here. In the 30 days, we're $2.76 up to $3.28. We're getting closer, right? We're getting to a better place. We've got 5.13 billion total ton supply, 2.46 billion circulating supply. And I just want to see it happen, guys. I want to see this market move to the direction we're all waiting for it to happen. What other coins do we have here? I want to share with you an absolute gem. This is an ERC20 coin, bridging Wall Street to Web3. From concept to ecosystem, Blockstreet empowers the next wave of builders driving USD1 adoption, with the team rooted in billion-dollar exits, top 100 projects, and major VC networks. This is one that we shared in my Discord channel, guys. And I want to effectively just show you the charts here, how great they look. We've shared this in my Discord channel. So, you know, we're not just about giveaways. We've got trading signals. We've got early alphas. We've got all sorts of things. So the Mixie coin here was one that we've, of course, spoke about a few times. And we dropped this on July 16 and boom, it pumped massively, 2x. So Block here, this is a coin. It's an ERC20 token. You can see here, $23 million market cap, 1.13K holders. Really good FDV, really good supply, and very good DEX tool score. And this is one that I personally believe will have massive growth and traction for the future. It's worth having a look at. Building, scaling, accelerating. They are part of the USD1 liquidity infrastructure. They've got a massive launch pad, and this could be something that does go absolutely crazy. So it could be worthwhile having a little look at. The link is definitely down below for this one here, guys, not financial advice. Another coin that I'm absolutely interested in is Salana. Solana's got a long way to go. Powerful developers, fast for everyone. Salana had a massive run when we had meme season. I think it does rely heavily on a meme coin season as opposed to an alt season as well. But Salana sitting at 179, you can see actually after its tops of 250, it corrected down to 121, which actually is a large percentage on paper, but it did show a massive recovery from $100. So you're up 70% from there. And I would like to see Salana actually have a crack at $250. Call me crazy, but I think it's still a possibility, and we should never underestimate the power of a bull run, because it just goes crazy for a very short period of time. So yeah, all things looking good right now. Check out, Salana. If you don't know what it is, you can of course buy it using KSEX. You can buy all the top coins using KSEX as well. You've got loads of great coins that you can buy here of KSEX. Do have a little look. What else we got here? Another token that I want to share with you guys. First things first, check out my Patreon. If you are someone that's confused about these markets, what should I buy in the dip? How do I trade? How do I become better in the crypto markets? We've got the Patreon down below sorted for you guys, which will help you capitalize and hopefully make more gains in the market from all different budgets. You can get involved for just $4 per month. It's really not that expensive. And you'll also get access to TradeWave, our new trading indicator, which is easy to buy and sell because you're going to get easy to follow, buy and sell signals. $27.50 per month for this, but the crypto legends do get it for free. And this leaves us with the next coin quickly, Bitcoin Hyper, 8 hours, 39 minutes till the price increases. Now we saw Bitcoin Bull token do incredibly well. So I'm now looking at Bitcoin Hyper as well. They're in a pre-sale phase, $0.0123 per token. If you buy with crypto, you get a choice of these different wallets that you can of course use. It says the Bitcoin Hyper pre-sale by Hyper before it powers the fastest layer in Bitcoin history. So the Hyper ecosystem comprises of a wallet, explorer, bridge, staking, and meme coins. It's effectively a Bitcoin layer 2. And we were speaking about the layer 2s, the layer 1s, and how they can be very, very high potential. So this could be really cool, guys. Worth checking out. Do a bit of research down below and get those tokens before the token generation event. Bitcoin Hyper finally unlocks fast and cheap Bitcoin transactions. So very, very nice to see this project doing well. Raised $3 million. Okay, guys. So that's a wrap, really. Lots of tokens, lots of cool things to consider from this video. Do join my Discord channel. Get in there. It's free anyway. Post your giveaway proof. You might win $2,500. Not many people have joined, so the odds of winning is quite damn high. You could be actually that lucky person. And of course, check out the Patreon whilst you are at it if you want to really amplify your journey in the crypto space. Thank you for watching. We're seeing billions of dollars injected into the market. Could we see more? I mean, you've only got to look at the 24 hours to realize this. 5% of 200 billion, 10 billion injected right there. 5% of 436 billion on Ethereum, that's a 20 billion injection on the market capital. So this market is absolutely freaking crazy. We're at highs we've never seen before, and hopefully we'll see more. Subscribe, like, comment. We'll see you very soon.
We are doing a $2,500 giveaway, guys. And all I want to say is thank you for everything. Now, how do you enter this? Simply check out the Discord down below, get yourself in there and find the giveaway channel. Once you're in there, post a screenshot that you've subscribed and liked a video, and then I will enter you into the giveaway, and I'll personally pick out the winner myself at the end of July. So basically all you gotta do is subscribe, like, take a screenshot. Doesn't matter which video it is, because I'm going to be posting this on every video in July at some point within the video.